How's it going, fellas of YouTube? Hey, I got it right. Today, well, you actually know what the title of the video is, so we might as well end it right now. I'm kidding. We're gonna be changing my, oh my God, it's hot today. Gonna be changing my thermostat. I've never done one. Like with the fuel pump, it's pretty straightforward. I legitimately have no idea what I'm doing, but we're just gonna try it anyway and forget that we don't know what we're doing. First things first, oh my God, I'm losing my train of thought. Okay. So, first thing you want to do normally is pull your radiator hose, but I don't have any coolant in the truck at the moment. Oh God. Okay. Moment. Oh yeah. You're not stronger than me.
I got a good one for you, bro. What are you fighting for? What are you fighting that for? Brooks, let me show you something. So.
I got this.
Alright. What you do though, when it's like that, tilt it sideways, it just hit it down.
Right. That was my next step. I've never done a thermostat before, so ladies and gentlemen of YouTube can be laughing at me. Oh, I know, that part's getting edited out.
Why, man? That's the best part.
Well, I'll keep it in.
You ever heard of that guy, Scotty Kilber? He's a YouTuber. He does automotive mechanics.
I'm sure I've seen his videos, but I don't know him by name.
Dude, he reminds me of that guy that comes. Remember the Speed? Remember that movie Speed with Sandra Bullock and?
Yeah, the bus that couldn't slow
Yeah.
down.
You remember that guy, the bomber?
Uh-huh.
That's who he reminds me of, dude. He has the same attitude.
Does he wear glasses?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know who he is.
Dude, he's a funny guy.
One of his videos, he's like, if it's not a Ford, it ain't built right. And then the car literally splits in half on camera. I'm like, I didn't know that was possible. Okay. Now we're probably going to have to pry this off.
Shouldn't have to.
Hand me that screwdriver, if there's one. Thank you. Oh, there we go.
Man, you're messing up the paint job, sir.
There are worse things to mess up than the paint job. That doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too good, but doesn't look too bad. I hope this gasket's going to be okay.
No, it's not, sir. You're going to need another gasket.
Yep. So I'm going to go ahead and peel it off because we're going to need a new one.
Yeah. Clear it off and clean it real good. That'd be great. Did you get a gasket with the other one?
No gasket.
You sure? Just the thermostat?
Just the thermostat. Yeah, this gasket's shot.
Yeah, that's how Carl ordered you a gasket.
Alright, thank
He
you.
knows what size it is, right?
84 Ford straight 6. What? One barrel.
One barrel.
Oh, you're just gonna be caked on. So, thermostat is not terrible, but it's not very good. Let me get my scraper. Oh. Oh God. I'm debating whether or not I have the strength to finish out the day. I cleaned, because I was mowing the other day here, and man, I was running over so much crap. So I cleaned both yards today. It took it out of me. got it going. Good for you. Alright. That's a little crusty in there, but head gasket's okay. That's probably just, see, 84, 94, 04, 14, 20, so it's 36 years of sitting in there. So. Okay, I might actually need to take my radiator hose off, because I just can't see nothing. Quint, they invented